Bank Dizzle.
Yo,
What are you building?
build me a Dirty Max.
What year is it?
A 15.5.
GMC.
Sierra Denali 2500
It is a
HD.
Denali.
Yep.
So it's got all the bells and whistles. Looks like he already did the grill.
Yeah, he did grill and
Is there-
light bar and headlights. So he's got a good start. It was just on a level before, so.
And what are you doing to it?
6-inch Pro Comp with a 2-inch Cognito on top, so 8 inches.
Can you do that on these and keep the angles happy?
Ish.
So it's gonna be a little stressed?
Well, Pro Comp brings CV spacers.
Okay, and then what for wheels and tires?
Some 22x12 hostiles over here.
Cool,
gonna
that'll
look
look
sweet.
nice. Those, you said 20x12?
22x12.
22x12? Should I be scared?
You're always scared.
I know, but should I be? I feel unscared on this one, which scares me.
Yeah, now I'm scared.
Baker, is it done?
Yeah.
Doesn't look different. It looks like you got the back done.
For the
Ish.
most part, ish. The hard part's done. The U-bolts didn't really want to come off, so I had to torch them and put the add leaf in and the new rear blocks. So
now today's front end?
yeah.
What day is it? Tuesday?
Tuesday. So I'll button up that and I'll get the front end torn apart.
So you got all the time in the world?
All the time in the
It'll
world.
be fine.
Yeah.
I shouldn't be nervous.
Nope.
Perfect.
It's going well. It's great.
Took a bunch of stuff apart. That's good, right?
Yeah, I actually got farther than I was planning on today, so. Everything's going back in instead of everything out. So
What day is it? Tuesday?
Tuesday.
So you'll easily be done by the end of tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, good luck.
Okay.
It's kind of boring when everything doesn't go wrong.
Right.
How's it goes?
It goes.
Try track bars yet? Are they gonna work?
I gotta do them on the ground.
Don't know yet.
Yeah.
How's the front end?
Good. It's already they're gonna shoot lifts and levels and then throw the wheels on and
Done deal.
done deal.
No issues.
No? Not
Yet.
really?
Cool. Cool. So no issues. Off to alignment tomorrow. What
Tomorrow
day is it? So
Today's
Thursday
Wednesday.
morning.
Thursday morning.
So we have plenty of time. This will be an
Mm-hmm.
easy one. I like when they're super uneventful. Sorry, your
Right.
video's gonna suck, but I prefer an easy build.
Same.
She's torqued,
Torque,
retorqued,
retorque,
aligned.
aligned.
Pretty much went that easy, didn't it?
It went real easy.
So you guys wash it, detail it, and then you're leaving
Tonight at 6.
tonight at 6. You're driving it.
I'm taking the truck down.
You guys, and then you're unveiling it tomorrow.
Tomorrow at 3.
Cool. Looking forward to see the reaction. Make sure he turns his camera on.
Hey, maybe somebody would show up.
I know. I got stuff to do.
True, but it works. I don't know. I'd like to get it done. Oh, yeah. That's my baby right there. That is definitely my baby.
There you go, sir.
Thank you. Am I okay to start like doing a burnout right here with it?
I mean, do whatever you want with it. It's your truck.
Wrong?
No burnouts.
Aw.
It's not a burnout if it's in the gravel because, I mean, there's no black.
No spin outs.
Oh, but it looks freaking killer, dude. It looks sick.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, dude.
Yeah. Yeah. See,
Congratulations.
yeah. Right? Yeah. I can do some burnouts now.
You got the 6-inch Pro Comp
Yep.
with the ES 9000 shocks. Did the upgraded Cognito control arms.
Yeah.
We used the ready lift keys that were in it.
Okay.
So get that extra 2 inches out of it with the add leaf in the back.
Yep.
The 22x12 hostile predators because you're the only thing available.
Yeah, I guess we couldn't get Furies.
Your third choice
Or,
ever.
yeah, couldn't get Furies or Rages, but
So, and then we got,
they look better, honestly, than I thought that the other wheels would look.
they match this truck great. So,
They worked out good.
you know, wrapped in the 305, 55, or
The 325.
325, 50 R22s.
What's up, man?
Big boy tires on there.
Yeah.
They got a little bit of
size.
sidewall protection, so
Yeah, that's.
I mean, you can get close to the curb, but not too close.
I didn't want that stretched looking.
Yeah,
that
absolutely.
This looks good. It's got that nice flat tire like design. Like it's
Absolutely.
tough.
Yep, absolutely. Looks big enough for the truck.
Yeah.
And like I said, kept the flight fabrication track bars on there.
Yep.
This thing's pushing a lot of power, so we want to keep that axle where it is.
Oh yeah.
You got a giant 8-inch tip on there, so.
Well, this ride quality is the bomb diggity.
Yeah, so it's still got a lot of power, even with the lift.
It's tall enough to run people over when they don't get out of the way.
Clearly. Apparently it's not loud enough.
Dude, this thing like just rolls nice.
It does. These amps are a good medium grade tire there they give the really aggressive look and they still ride decently.
Right? Oh man. I just love how loud this is. I have a raging erection right now. I just got it on the camera too.
Woo!